Waterbirds vocabulary. About 150 water birds names in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Duck, goose, albatross, seagull, penguin, African penguin, kingfisher, cormorant, swan, white stork, mallard, mandarin duck, heron, grey heron, crane, sandpiper, egret, spoonbill, gadwall, king eider, pelican, flamingo, greater scaup, loon, salduck, Atlantic puffin, ibis, scarlet ibis, black swan, clapper rail, wood duck, Arctic tern, Andean flamingo, black-winged stilt, Andean goose, bar-headed goose, Anhinga, northern gannet, Anseriformis, cattle egret, Australian pelican, boat-billed heron, banded stilt, black-faced ibis, Balon skreek, blue-footed booby, black skimmer, black tern, coot, common gallinule, darter, grey teal, Eurasian curlew, glossy ibis, greater scaup, tricolored heron, greater flamingo, yellow-billed stork, green heron, herring gull, Inca tern, northern savolar, African jacana, white tern, moorhen, water hen, swamp hen, purple gallinule, rup, wryebill, muscovy duck, wadder or shorebird, American white pelican, Caspian tern, black guillemot, little auk, laughing gull, black-headed gull, common goldeneye, swallow-tailed gull, common gull, kelp gull, common mewer, great bittern or Eurasian bittern, great cormorant, imperial stag, guaneye cormorant, razorbill, Eurasian spoonbill, lascar flamingo, grey gull, hamarkop, ibis bell, red-necked avocet, African open bell, shoe bell, red-footed booby, roseate tern, jabiru, red-breasted goose, red-wattled lapwing, Rufescent tiger heron, Ross's gull, ruddy selduck, Sarah's crane, saddle-billed stork, short-billed gull, snowy egret, snow goose, spur-winged lapwing, whistling duck, white-tailed topic bird, grey-crowned crane, squawko heron, northern pintail, sooty shearwater, Goliath heron, bare-throated tiger heron, brown pelican, greater adjutant, Christmas frigate bird, long-tailed eager, Marabou stork, limpkin, great black-backed gull, double-crested cormorant, eared grebe, great crested grebe, little grebe, common merganser guzander, great egret, pink-eared duck, fulmar, magnificent frigate bird, osprey, pied kingfisher, white-billed grebe, nene or Hawaiian goose, parasitic ager Arctic skua, rail bird, phalarope, pied avocet, Peruvian booby, purple heron, red-tailed tropic bird, sooty tern, roseate spoonbill, storm petrel, whopper swan, wood stork, little bittern, great white pelican.
Here, subscribe to our channel.